Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about Pure Sneaker Cleaner review from United States. Let's see whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So let's see what this website is offering to the customers. Here you have so many products like limited pure black box edition, pure sneaker cleaning kit. You can see there are products along with their reasonable price. You can check those products by visiting their official website. So let's go to the payment option. So guys, the payment option is not given in the website, but if you Google it, I found the payment is by ShopPay, Google Pay and PayPal. But I don't get any information about the shipping policy. So that is one negative point about this website, as they have not mentioned regarding this. So let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. Friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this website is protected by HTTPS, that means the payment gateway is safe and secure. It is registered on 24th April 2020 and expires on 24th April 2021. That means it is recently registered website and for a short period of time. So let's go to the About Us page. So here again there is no About Us page. So you don't get any identity of this website. So there is no information about this website, guys. So that is also one negative point about this website. So let's go to the contact address. So the contact address, it is not mentioned here. There is no physical address or phone number and there is no email ID as well. So that is also one negative point about this website, as it is not given in the website. So let's go to the social media presence. So it is available on Twitter and Instagram, but I don't see any visitors to this website. It is not active on social media. So let's check about the return and refund policy. So again, it is not given in the website. There is no return and refund policy. So guys, again, this is a negative point about this website. So let's go to the customer reviews. So it is not mentioned in the website. If you Google it also, I don't see any customer reviews. So it is not rated at. So that is also one negative point about this website. So the content detailing is not very good. There is no spelling errors, but the products are not well specified. I can see the duplicate images. So based on the above discussion, I can say this website is possibly a scam, because I can see there are so many negative points about this website. So guys, do your research effectively, check all the points before investing any money on this website. Before buying any products, do your research. So you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.